I'm so shocked. Let's see how we do.
Oh. Love the little cheese pull.
Little chappy sized cheese pull.
Well, the simplicity of this recipe is really the beauty of it. It's just so basic, so simple. This is like a 30-minute
I wouldn't say basic. This is awesome.
Well, it's some basic ingredients.
Yeah, basic.
But we're taking those basic ingredients and then just elevate it a little bit. Wow. Take it to the next level. It's gorgeous. We got crispy cheese. We got texture from the potatoes. Cheesy cheese. You know, cheesy cheese. It's delicious. Hey guys, welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there's Ethan. And there's my daughter. Wow.
Petroleum's.
You're gonna regret that someday.
Petroleum.
And right over there is Mila's BFF, Andy.
Hello.
Sir Andrew. Today I've got a fun one. Barbecue chicken potato skins.
Is that a question?
Barbecue chicken potato skins? Yes, it is. If you don't know, every time the bell rings, you're gonna need something to sip on. We're gonna have some fun. This is gonna be quick, delicious, and easy. Stick around. So come on, everyone, it's today's first show. Now today we're using cutlets. For this, you honestly could use whatever kind of chicken you want. You could use
the cutlet king of
that's right.
Hi, I'm Abe Froman. Party of 3 for 12.
Do you ever not use cutlets?
Yes, I use boneless, skinless chicken thighs often, but I had cutlets, so
I'm using cutlets.
I'm gonna use some cutlets. Honestly, it works out great for all the worlds involved, as far as I'm concerned.
How many worlds are involved here?
At least 2.
Okay.
Maybe 3.
Perhaps. Depends on which timeline we're in.
Ooh, are we talking like Avengers or Spider-Man, or what are we talking about?
For the first time.
You watched what?
Deadpool Wolverine.
Oh, yeah. What'd you think?
It was great. And then, was it the Sacred Timeline? Is that what they called it?
I don't know. I thought it was overrated, to be honest with you.
Whoa!
Quite unfortunate.
Really? I'm dead serious. I was not in love with it.
We should probably stop, because we just learned that CJ has bad taste.
That does it!
Dude, you have great movie taste. You didn't
I do. I thought it was overrated.
Is it sooner? I don't want to spoiler alert anybody. Blade's in it.
You're spoiling it, dude.
No.
I was not expecting to see you here. Thought you were, retired.
So I've got some olive oil going down on my griddle over here. This is at a medium low, I would say. And let's get this chicken cooking. Now, something to note. Oh, dude, what the?
What? There was a sneaky little guy in there.
Bonus cutlet, dude. Something to note. The temperatures of your Blackstone might be different based on where you live in the country, how tall you are,
what movies you like.
Stick around over here.
Okay.
We have some rain coming in, so I'm moving pretty quickly.
Boogie.
So we're gonna do a little boot scoop boogie. I'm gonna get these potato skins. I got some russet potatoes. I sliced them. I've done them thinner, but if you go too thin, it turns into a chip. Then you're gonna have some issues with integrity of your potato skin, and nobody wants to have issues with their potato skins. Now, let's keep cruising over here. I've got some diced jalapeno and red onion.
Like it?
I'm gonna do a quick pickle with the 2 of these.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What was that?
Oh, sorry. Didn't give me a chance.
Sherry vinegar.
Sherry vinegar we got cruising over here.
I'm a fan of that.
Garlic powder. And where did my olive oil go? Oh, it's over here. 1 second, I'll grab it. A little salt and pepper.
Yeah?
Uh-oh. My assistant saw an opportunity. Well, a crack patty.
I'm just fighting for camera time at this point.
Got a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to let this sit. Give this a few minutes, and you'll be surprised what happens with that little bit of vinegar and a little bit of salt. I like to add the garlic powder in there just because I like it, but instead of doing pickled jalapenos...
It's like a garnish and a condiment at the same time.
Exactly, and it's gonna lay really well on our potatoes, so we're not gonna have any issues. So we're gonna be back, I'm gonna say 10 minutes when it's time to pull our chicken off, because I'm gonna flip it over here in just a second. And we're gonna pull off our potato skins when one side is done and not the other, because we're gonna build over there. So I'm gonna put it uncooked side down, crispy on top. What do you know about that? I'm scooting around here. It's really quick as Deion Sanders.
Speaking of Deion Sanders, hey CJ, did you know?
Neon Dion?
This is a pizza place in Albuquerque. The best pizza place, has the best pizza. Am I right?
He's pretty right.
My fact is about Deion Sanders, though. He is the only athlete to be in both the Super Bowl and the World Series. And then also, did you know that the guy who sings, it's Harry Potter, by the way, if it wasn't obvious.
It was not obvious.
Yeah, I know, this isn't a great one, but I really wanted to do this fact. You've seen Beetlejuice too?
Yes?
Yeah?
Yeah, Mick Arthur Parker at the end.
I love a good dream sequence. There will be another song for me.
Sang by Dumbledore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
A song at the end of Beetlejuice 2 is sang by Dumbledore.
You just blew her mind away. Baby, ring that bell.
Good work. All right.
All right, we'll be back. When the chicken's done and the potatoes are time to pull off.
Protestus Patronum.
Our chicken and potatoes are looking gorgeous. Let's go ahead and pull these crispy potatoes
those
off.
Potatoes are crispy.
The chicken
Crispy.
is amazing. We give it a second to chill and dice these up into small bites because we want a small bite. Because if you take one bite and all of it comes off,
No.
then your potato skin's all ruined.
Wait,
and
the
that's
potato's not done, right?
no. That's why I said I'm only cooking one side. But we are going to add these to a bowl here because I want to coat these before. Dude, I know.
You're kidding me.
All right, let's talk sauce, man. Stubbs,
Sauce, man.
sauce me Seymour, sticky sweet.
Okay.
Go with whatever barbecue sauce that you prefer. This is the road that we're gonna travel on today, and it's gonna be a good road.
Dude, this is like super simple.
Very simple, very quick. Now, you know what?
What?
I'm gonna hit symbol 1 so we can see how it's done, and then we'll like go from there. So,
Wait, so it's going back on the griddle.
yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna go uncooked side down. Right.
I do that with my grilled cheese.
Yes, texture. It's a
Yeah.
texture game, right?
Dig that.
So we're gonna go some cheese down. Now check this out. Once we get cheese down, I'm gonna add a little bit of the steakhouse.
Season the cheese?
Into the
Come on
cheese.
now.
I know, right?
Come on.
I know, right?
Here we are.
Then we're gonna put some of our barbecue chicken. You don't have to go too heavy. Again, these
Okay.
are kind of like appetizers, and you don't want to go too aggressive. Then.
What are you gonna do with these guys?
Oh, nothing really.
So then we're gonna get this guy.
Should definitely build these on the griddle.
Yeah, it's gonna be easier to do it on the
You
griddle.
get cheese skirt.
Yep.
For days.
Now let's just do that
Just
7 more times.
I like this idea. So you crisp up one side, build that cooks the bottom side while everything finishes.
See,
See?
there's some logic to my path here.
Obviously.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Okay,
You live?
I'm live.
I'm live like John Cena.
Oof.
That's bad. I don't even like saying it.
All right, guys, the potatoes have had a chance to get melty and ooey, and so I wonder if I should.
Hey CJ, did you know?
I'm gonna.
live like Saturday night.
Oh,
Yeah,
I was
it
about
was
to say
super
Ethan,
late.
Ethan has a great Gollum impression.
does
on
he?
Potatoes, but
Does he?
I was gonna say taters, and it was reminding me earlier. Ethan.
That is good.
Yeah.
You're finally good at something, Ethan.
Even you couldn't say no to that.
Oh, yes, we could.
Wow. Dude, look at that skirt.
Bro, we've got skirt cruising for days.
Wow. Dude, that
Thank you, sir.
one's like religious.
That's the cross at the top.
Yeah.
It's a cross, Ethan. See, now we're back to you not being good.
Yeah. Vampires can't have this.
All right. I don't know if this is ideal to
Working?
ideal to plate this way,
Wow.
but we're gonna go with it.
These look awesome.
They do look.
Ethan's cracking himself up.
Yeah, I don't know what you guys are talking about over there.
I said vampires can't have it because there's garlic powder in it.
Yeah.
All right.
But now that I see him, I do pity him.
Now, last little bit we're gonna do here
Some greenery.
is I'm gonna toss this around.
Okay.
Yes, in just a second you can. I'm gonna do first some of this red onion
That
and
quick
jalapeno.
pickle, that's a certain
pico.
kind of magic.
Yes,
That
it is.
technique with different ingredients too.
Oh yeah, and I've done it with slaw, so you know, for Asian dishes. We've done it for flatbreads.
It's a cool trick.
It's a fun one. All right, now the last thing. It's the second to the last thing. Maybe the second to the. Yes, it's kind of one of the last things. All right, we're gonna get messy, boys.
Gonna baptize it?
Yep, let's go for it.
May the Lord bless you and keep you.
This is Ethan's jam.
Just little dollops. Here we go.
What are you gonna do once?
Didn't work.
We're gonna do dollops.
It's fine.
It's totally fine. Okay, Phoenix, this is where you're gonna help me, honey. Come on over here. In just a second. Not the. Wow, none of that bad stuff. And don't mind that. These aren't the droids we're looking for. But I want to have small little baby. These are called chives.
It's the size of Chappie.
It is a little chappy size. These are not Poco size.
Chappy sized green onion.
Poco's
Okay.
too big.
Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of just up high. You're gonna sprinkle.
Do it.
Pepperoni.
Go for it, just like that. Not a lot. It needs to be pretty.
Pro moves. Go for it. Go for it.
There it is. You're cruising. A few more. And I'm spent.
You're
Say-
pro like your daddy.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
Poco wants to eat it.
Finkel, I meant we'd need dogs for when the city is attacked, not actual German shepherds.
All right, let's see how we did here. Let's look at we've got
The undercarriage.
Ooh.
Wow, look at
it's toasty.
You've had some bad luck
I've had
today.
some really bad luck with our food today
with
because
food that's so piping hot because it just came off the Blackstone.
I know.
I feel shocked.
I'm so shocked.
I feel shocked.
Let's see how we do.
Oh. Love the little cheese pull.
Little Chappie says cheese bowl.
Well, Japanese is beautiful.
Nice callback reference right there.
Dude,
If I had to say so myself.
it's perfect. It's just enough sweetness from the barbecue,
Wednesday night at Chili's.
but
At home.
Chili's doesn't serve these anymore. Everybody knows that.
You gotta get a reservation. Gets busy on a Wednesday.
That's right.
It's like a TGI Friday over
This
here.
is a TGI Friday kind of experience. Let me know how I did. The pickled jalapenos and onions, freaking money. It's the texture thing, right? So you have the crispy potato, that real melty cheese, sweetness from the chicken, the skirt. There was
That's cool.
crunch from the skirt. It was
Crispy.
awesome. There's not a real pretty way to plate these,
I don't
but
know.
they're not
This
going to be
looks-
around very long.
Looks pretty great.
Once they hit the ground, everybody's going to come running. Let me know how I did in the comments below. But speaking of comments,
Uh-oh.
it is time for
Meh, meh.
CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys made it, stuck around, hung out, had some fun. We're gonna beat this rain. So starting from the top in no particular order, this comes in from C. Rodriguez. C. Rodriguez says, I really dislike CJ's comments. As a fellow Southerner, I just wanted to punch him in the face until he can't talk. What a wussy.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Dang.
Dude.
Ay,
No
caramba.
es bueno.
Ay, caramba. La cucaracha.
Esta es la casa de mi tía. No, gracias. Soy alérgico a los crustáceos.
All right, this comes in from Jim Vale, that nice guy.
Jim Vale.
Jim Vale says,
My guy.
this was on the collab video.
Yeah?
Says, this much talent on one set is like staring at the sun. If I close my eyes, I can still see glares of post dusts and pure excellence.
That's beautiful.
Dude, I love it. Jim
It's modern
Vale,
poetry.
you're a champion.
This guy.
Cheers,
Brightening up
buddy.
our lives
That was a
like
fun one,
sunshine.
by the way.
It was a good one. Everybody was there.
This is from Jams Wayne.
Jams?
Jams Wayne.
That's my jams.
He says, too much effing around.
Wow.
I'm here to watch some Blackstone cooking.
Okay.
Hey, just effing around this town corner. No?
No?
Just for...
I've been hanging around this town on the corner.
What's the guy's name again?
Who cares? James. Or Jams. Wayne. James.
Jams.
Jams.
Not my jams. Reverse spell?
Yeah, I'm just thirsty. You're lucky. This came in from Andy G.
Hey, Andy G.
Andy G says, I came for the not the fives. I came for the vibes and left with the burrito recipe. And fun Swifty fact to tell my daughters.
Yeah.
Ethan is the real MVP of CJ's first cooking show.
Know it?
Don't even ask, little girl. Just bring it.
Neon Dion over there.
Yeah.
Hey, little girl! I don't want cherry. It upsets my stomach.
And there we go, amigos and amigas. That is
Buenos
how
dias.
we wrap up an episode of
Arrivederci.
CJ's first cooking show.
Sayonara.
You sure about that? Be sure to go to
No.
blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other recipes from all the other channels and the other pros. Go to griddlenation.com for swag, shirts, stickers, all kinds of fun stuff. But at the end of the day, remember this.
What?
You.
Yeah?
Not you. You.
Who?
You.
What?
You who betrayed me.
Oh, that was what me.
This is CJ's first cooking show, where we cook. Yes, we do.
The boo box. The boo box.